I'm looking for the truck. Brand new, everything, look. Welcome to another beautiful day, man. This is my last load drop in Wisconsin. Right now we're about to do the drop in Wisconsin. We're an hour away, and after that I quit, baby. I quit this job and I go sign up with the new company. I'm excited to see what, you know, what's about to unfold. Really hope everything goes smooth and dandy. At the end of the day, I really don't know what to expect. I mean, I've seen videos of what truck I'm supposed to get. I hope that that's exactly what is gonna happen, that's gonna be the truck and the trailer. But the thing is, now I'm racing for time. So stay tuned, enjoy the video. Make sure you guys comment anything you guys have questions for and stuff like that. Anything you guys see me do, and just comment that below. I read all the comments, I answer to all the comments. Make sure you guys like the video because it really helps the channel grow, pushes these videos out there for other people to see. Make sure you share it with the folks that want to get in the trucking industry, because I'm here to stay. It's not just about trucking. I do a lot of other lifestyle content. We're going to be traveling to different countries and doing content like that in the future. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Yeah, it's 0 degrees right now, super cold. We got 55 miles to go. Man, this is gonna be crazy. You guys are gonna see the truck in this video. You guys are gonna see my reaction in this video. So yeah, just stay tuned. We're gonna get it all going. Another thing too, I am so pissed, bro. I am so pissed. Tell me how I leave, you know, Chicago is mostly 60-mile-an-hour truck zone. So, you know, I didn't really, like, for first couple hours of the drive, you know, I'm chilling. Then I hit Wisconsin, it turns to 70 miles an hour. So here I am, like, okay, cruise control, let's go. I hit my cruise control, it doesn't go above 65. So I'm like, nah, no way. So after coming off the yard and then fixing my engine light and doing a bunch of stuff, they limited my truck. They didn't just take off my cruise control, but they also put an idle shutdown on my truck. Like, what? You know, I'm already complaining as it is about different things, but now on top of all the complaining, I got a limited truck, I have idle shutdown. Like, bro, I woke up this morning, it was freezing in the cabin. The IPU system, it works, don't get me wrong, but it does not deliver. Like, it literally gives about 25% of capacity of what it's supposed to give. You know, like if I have a truck running and I have heat on, you know, let's say it's at 100%, right? 100% heat. IPU at running capacity will only give me 25% of that. If that. Some, like I said, yesterday morning and today I woke up and if it was giving 10% of that heat, I was lucky, which I don't even think it was. It was literally freezing. Now I have an idle shutdown. Like, bro, come on, man. Like, you know, I can go get a heater, like one of those propane heaters or whatever, electric heaters. I can do that, but why when you have a truck? Like, on top of that, in certain weathers, like once it's past negatives, you know, like -5 and down, you don't want to shut your truck off. Like, it's just not a smart thing to do, because these American trucks, they don't really, you know, want to operate past sub-freezing, like below 0 degrees. Like, if you shut them down, they might not start back up, you know. And I'm entering into that area. Like, this morning it was -1, so it wasn't nothing crazy, but still, it's super cold. And last thing I want to do is not be able to deliver my load or etc., because my truck shut down in the middle of the night because of the idle shutdown. Super annoying. I'm about to show you guys the cruise control thing. Like, my truck miles per hour is not limited. I can still go full speed, which I like. And it's not because I like to go fast. I don't go fast in these trucks. I don't like, half the time I don't. If the speed limit is 80, I don't even go 80. There's no reason to go that fast, especially if you're loaded. There's no reason. I'll literally sit at 70, 75 and just chill. Right now the speed limit is 70. I'm crunching on time. I need to be going the speed limit, and I come to find out I can't even go the speed limit. If I hold my foot down, which is okay, but for 5 hours straight, you know, it's kind of super annoying. Like, it's I would rather sit on the cruise control. I do pay attention to the road. It's not like I don't pay attention, you know? And I'll show you guys right now. Right now we're climbing 55. I mean, these trucks, they're not the fastest. You know, my foot is to the floor right now, and this is how fast we're going. So the speed limit on this road is 70 miles an hour. I can sit here and hold my foot down for an hour, not a big deal. Do I want to? It's just inconvenient. Right now, look, so I've hit 68, I'm going to 70. Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? Brother. Yesterday I was able to go 70. I didn't try going above 70. Yeah, so look, I hit 70. That's fine. It goes 70, no problem. Set my cruise control at 70. Let's go. Wait. See, like, man, this is what I'm talking about, this truck. It does not want to function. It always has some errors and lags, and it's just super frustrating. So, as you saw just now, my cruise control set to 65. It won't set above 65. Even if I'm going 70, 75, and I click cruise control, it will still show 65. It will not set over that. I try to raise my speed, it can't, like, it just says 65, that's it. So they limited my truck. They put a limit on my truck, and I know why. I mean, at the end of the day, what happens, the reason, the majority of the reason why companies do that is not because you're unsafe, it's not because you're speeding, majority of the time. It's not because you're speeding, it's because they want to save on fuel. If you see that little green line thingy, if I'm going 60, 65 miles an hour, you're consuming, you have the best fuel per mile consumption. Like, that's the best MPG you're going to get out of these trucks. You're going 70, 75, 80, you're above that little green line, aka your truck consumes more fuel. So that's majority of why these companies limit these trucks. Don't get me wrong, some people really deserve to get limited, but for me, the reason I like trucks that aren't limited is not because I want to go fast, but for my own safety. Because sometimes there's that idiot truck that is doing a bunch of weird stuff, or a car, or etc., and I have to avoid it, either go past it. Like, I don't want to slow down because they slow down, but if I pass them, then I don't have to worry about them anymore. But if I slow down, they slow down, I slow down, they slow down, and it just, that continuous fight creates a hazard. I don't like it. It's not fun. It's not, I just don't enjoy doing that. So, you know, for the first 3 months of driving, not limited truck, I was like, yes, amazing. Now I have to deal with this. But enough ranting for right now. You guys are gonna see me at the loading dock while we drop off this load, and we'll go from there. We are at the location. Just gave the man paperwork. He said pull up right there somewhere. There's a dock. I'm assuming it's the same kind of dock as we had at the first drop off. Jesus. Some big old tractors. Now we gotta line up this dock. Straighten this baby out. See, flatbed is good entry-level positions to start. The reason for that is because you experience a bunch of backing, but it's not tight docks. You have room, you get to learn your trailer, how it moves, where to go with it, what to do, etc., etc. Sorry, bud, I'm in your way a little bit. You get to learn how far is your trailer, the distances, and all that fun stuff. Bam. It is freezing out here, bub. Oh, that guy's not out here yet. Hands immediately frozen. But I learned my lesson from last time. Alright, now we have to offload this as fast as possible and go get our new truck, baby. I hope you guys are as excited as I am, because I'm freaking excited. I'm freaking excited. Bro, what? My hands are frozen through these? I can't even imagine with the goddamn leather gloves. I would be already missing my hands, low-key. I'll just need your signature once.
I signed on there already.
Okay, thank you so much. Yep. This dog doesn't care. It's like 0 degrees. What are you doing? Okay. What are you doing up here? Huh? What are you doing up here? What are you doing? Come! This way. Go that way. You ready? Go! Go! Good job. Alright, so we're here. I'm looking for the truck. This parking lot is enormous. I'm gonna show you guys. Sheesh. I'm not gonna record right now because right now it's gonna be onboarding. So once all this happens, I'm gonna try to record as much of it as I can. Once the onboarding happens, I'll show you guys what's up. Look at this thing, bro! Holy shit! Holy shit! Talking about rookies can't get this shit done, baby! Come on now! New truck, brand new. Everything, look! Wow! Everything on it is just crazy, bro. It's like a spanking brand new truck. Look at that thing! Wow! Wow! Bro, we're about to go crazy. The only thing I don't like so far, that's the only complaint I have, is the fucking fridge, bro. It's so tiny, but it's okay. I'll figure it out. What is this? What is this? Is it for shoes? What is this for? I don't know. Is there a table, bro? Isn't there supposed to be a table? And there's no table, bro. I'm upset kind of about that. Bro, I can put my cookers and coffee makers and strap them down, bro. Like, fuck, dude, this is so fucking nice. I can put my a TV holder, bro. Come on now. Oh my god, a PS5, bro, that's crazy. This thing already has a setup. This thing has already set up a brand new mattress, bro. A window, bro. Dude, speakers everywhere, bro. This is so sick. I am just, oh bro, thank you so much. This is so crazy. Oh man, 2024 Peterbilt. It's got 60K on it, pretty much brand spanking new, man. I mean, not really, it's got 60K on it, but bro, it smells new. That's how great this is, man. The amount of speakers and tweeters and whoa, what the fuck, this shit's loud as shit. I wanted to try it. Now I have to set everything up. I have to move everything from that truck to this truck. Oh, my dog is about to be static, bro. I'm gonna do all this now, guys, and then I'll catch you guys once we set all this up, because I mean, you guys don't want to see me do all this. Good morning, fam. We just woke up. The truck is almost put together. I got a garbage can. There's so much more space now. I gotta throw out these boxes, figure out still a couple things, but I already got my first load, baby. I already got my first load. I'm about to go pick it up. I haven't even driven this truck yet. I have to be there by 11. Kind of low on def and gas, so. Of course, yesterday I dropped off the truck, said bye-bye to the company. And when I dropped off the truck, you know, I always have a tendency of forgetting things. No matter how good I check everything, I always have a tendency of forgetting things. This time I forgot my AirPod case. I also forgot my phone holder, so yeah. Okay, baby. The rest of, you know, putting stuff together and stuff we're gonna do probably tonight after we pick up the load. I just want to show them, you know, I'm capable of picking up load, doing all that dandy stuff. All right, baby. This is first impressions right here of the big old Peter. I don't know, God loves me, bro. First of all, I like the dashes. I like the fact that you can customize the dashes and you can have different. What? Boost? That's crazy. So you have all these different things that you can mess around with. I really like that. I like that it shows all this stuff. It's great. So far, so great. So let's drive. Let's see what this baby is about.